Hello, this video is for those of you working on the J sound. So when I say the sound, my lips are rounded, my tongue is behind my teeth are pretty close together, and the difference between the ch sound and the j sound is that my voice is on. J. You can feel it if you touch your throat. It should vibrate if you're saying it correctly. So what we're going to do is I want you to just listen to me say some words that have the j sound in them. So just listen. We aren't talking at this point. We're only listening. Jar, juice, jump, jog, jeans, journal, jelly, jet, vegetable, pigeon, oranges, pajamas, angel, magic, banjo, gingerbread, cage, sponge, bridge, fridge, orange, judge, stage, fudge. Next we're going to practice, so you get to talk at this point. So I'm going to say and then you are going to say, so I'll point to you when it's your turn. So we're going to practice in isolation, so the sound all by itself. J, 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 j. Next, we're going to put the sound into some syllables. So we're going to add a vowel. G, jai, joe, jaw, eej, ij, oj, ooj, eg, ig, og, oog. Next, we're going to say some words that have the sound in them. Once again, I say and then you say. Jar, juice, jump, jog, jeans, journal, jelly, jet, vegetable, pigeon, oranges, pajamas, angel, magic, banjo, gingerbread. And at the end of words, cage, sponge, bridge, fridge, orange, judge, stage, fudge. Next, we're going to put the word into phrases. So we'll either say, I want, I see, I have, my, your. So we'll just create very short phrases using the target words. My jar, my juice, I jump, my jeans, my journal, my vegetable, my pigeon, my oranges, my pajamas, my angel, his cage, my sponge, my fridge, my orange, my fudge. And lastly, we'll create some sentences. So typically this is a time where you can create your own sentence using a complete and grammatically correct sentence. So I will create some, but you can create your own. I need a jar of jelly. There is orange juice in the fridge. My jeans are dirty. I write in a journal. I like to eat vegetables. The pigeon is on the fence. Oranges are yummy to eat. I know someone who plays the banjo. The dog is in the cage. I need a sponge for my dishes. Open the fridge. See if there's any milk. The oranges are on the kitchen table. I like to eat chocolate fudge. Okay, so that's it. I hope that you guys find this helpful and follow the sequence just like we did and practice daily. Have a great day. Bye-bye.